LG unveils robot butler that does your laundry and dishes. When LG Electronics unveiled the LG CLOiD at CES 2026, sci-fi edged closer to home. Built on its zero-labor home vision, the humanoid robot cooks, cleans, folds laundry, and handles chores using advanced AI, dexterous arms, and smart home integration, making the Jetsons feel almost outdated. Live demos at the Las Vegas Convention Center bring LG's zero-labor home vision closer to reality. A closer look at LG CLOiD's human-like design and intelligence. LG CLOiD features a human-inspired design built for real homes. Each arm offers 7 degrees of freedom, with hands using 5 independently controlled fingers for precise handling. A wheeled base uses LG's autonomous driving expertise, while its head functions as a mobile AI command center, coordinating tasks throughout the home. The AI engine behind LG CLOiD. LG CLOiD is powered by LG's physical AI, combining perception and action models. A vision language model interprets images and video, while vision language action translates visual and verbal commands into precise movements. According to Steve Beck, CLOiD is built to naturally understand users and advance LG's zero-labor home vision, making housework obsolete.